Many people are afraid when it comes to buying a land or a house in Lagos. Some see this investment very risky, highly risky, despite the reward involved in it. But yes, it's normal, it is good. But every investment in life is risky. And the worst risk is not investing. The worst risk is not investing. So I am here to save you from your fear. I want to save you from your fear. I want to help you kill your fear while you are afraid investing in Lagos, especially in property. So I will show you how to buy land or a house in Lagos. So if you're just watching this video of coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification button so we'll be able to get our videos anytime we post videos like this. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any question or you find this video helpful. You can also give it a thumbs up, a like. You can as well share to everyone that need to hear any information from this video. Well, my name is Mike Upele. I'm the principal realtor at Elite Group. Elite Group is a real estate company here in Lagos State. We deal in selling of lands, properties, houses, both for residential, commercial, whatsoever you need. That is what we are into. And we also help our clients in educating them the necessary things they need to know, the step-by-step guideline, whatsoever they need to know. So if there is any question, you cannot leave in the comment. Our phone number is displayed on the screen, or you can also find it in the description of this video. Do well to contact us, and we will make sure we answer every of your question. Now, why I go into this topic proper, how to buy land or a house in Lagos. Number one, define your budget and location. Define your budget and location. Have a budget, have a location. Do not just go into buying. You must have a preferred budget, a preferred location. So these are the necessary things. Even if you have contacted a real estate agent, they will ask you, in order to save your time and his time, he will ask you, what is your budget? What location are you trying to consider? So these are the necessary questions a genuine agent will ask you. This will help save your time and his time to get your desired property. So it is very important you have a budget and a location. Now, in having that budget, you not just budget for the price of the land alone. You need to also have extra cost budget. What I mean extra cost is land survey, survey fee, legal documentation, the fee, legal fee, land planning if necessary. Now, is it a land you want to buy? If it is a land, you need to also budget for fencing and to secure the land. The moment you bought and you are located, you secure your land. You can start fencing it. You can erect beacon to secure your land. So these must be in your budget. This must be part of your budget. So this is number one. Number two, use real estate agent or a realtor. Use a real estate agent or a realtor. These people help you in front line by making sure they secure the necessary informations. They get the necessary information, they do the necessary verification you need to do while carrying you along. So it is important you use a real estate agent. They understand the market language, they understand the market complexity, they understand red flags in the market. So it is important you make use of the real estate agents. So they will be able to guide you through step by step in securing your dream land, your dream property, your dream house. So this is the step two in how to secure or how to buy a land or a house in Lagos. Now, number three on how to buy a land or a house in Lagos. Verified title documents. For land, the necessary document to verify is certificate of occupancy, governor's consent, deed of assignment, Excision or Gazette. These are the documents you must verify for land. And for house, check for building approval. Check for building approval or plan. Then check for structural integrity report. Structural integrity report. Then check for utility clearance if applicable. These are the documents to verify if you are purchasing a house or a land. So always use your property lawyer to verify these documents, or contact your real estate agent. If you do not have a property lawyer, contact your real estate agent to provide you with his own property lawyer. They have network of these experts they can provide you with. Let their lawyer do the necessary verification of the legal documentation of the land. And then number 4, conduct a physical inspection. Conduct a physical inspection. Do not rely on photos and videos alone. Conduct a physical inspection. It is easy if you are not in Nigeria, if you are not in Lagos, to buy through your agents. You can engage them. If they are trusted, you can engage them. While on the tour, you can be engaging, even if it is a live video or a video call, you can engage them. They will show every necessary location, every necessary area, the topography, the access road, everything you need to know. Now, while doing that physical inspection, check for accessibility. Road access to the land. These are the things you must check. If you are buying land, check road access to the land. Do not just buy a land and at the end of the day you want to build, you do not have a place that you can access the road. There is no access road to your land. Everywhere is blocked. I've had a story like that. And the owner of the land was on the run. The land does not have access. Everywhere was blocked. So how the buyer will access the land became a problem. So he reported to the police. They have to do all of these necessary things, and he was arrested. But this is why we are saving your time now by showing you what to do, so that when you are doing that physical inspection, they will know you are coming as a professional. When you ask these necessary questions, they will know that you know what you want and you know what you are doing. That is why this information is very important and helpful. Now, while in that physical inspection, check the neighborhood, the infrastructural development of the neighborhood. Check around for government project that is ongoing, or ask around the government project that is about to start in the neighborhood. Check the amenities in the neighborhood. These are the things that will boost the price of your investment. These are the things that will increase the value of your investment. So these are the necessary things you need to know while doing that physical inspection. Check the topography of the land. Check the topography of the land. Is it dry land? What is your own desire? Will you be able to build in a swampy area? Normally, Lagos, most of the lands in Lagos are swamps. So people are still building on it. You just have to feel before you build. So will your strength be able to cover that? These are the things you need to check right from the inspection. You prefer dry land, or you are good with anyone? That is what you will check in the physical inspection. Now check the size of the land. To check the size, you cannot do that to involve a property land surveyor. A land surveyor will now check the size of the land and the location. You can also involve a town planner. The town planner will now check the land use, government acquisition, either under government acquisition or free from government acquisition. It is the land planner that will do that necessary check. So all of these can be gotten cheaply by involving your real estate agent. All of this can be done by involving your real estate agent. So these are the things we do, we check while on a physical inspection for land. For house, if you want to buy a house, check for the roofing, check for plumbing work, check for the wiring, check for the necessary finishing, check every necessary connection. Because the house has earth wire, which is very important. What is the water status of the house? What kind of water is there? Is the water be okay for you to bath? Will it be okay for you to cook with when you finally buy the house? So these are the necessary things you need to check. These are the necessary things you need to check while doing your physical inspection. Number 5, negotiate and make payment. Negotiate and make your payment after you've done your physical inspection. Number 5 is just to negotiate and make your payment. Now, let your real estate agent or your lawyer help you to negotiate. They will be the one to help you to negotiate. That is why it is important you involve real estate agents while trying to buy your land or a house. Many of them have sold that particular land or in a unit of that house before. They know the last price the last client bought. They negotiated downward. They know the price that the company will be able to accept. Sometimes, if you do not involve them, you will end up buying higher above the price that you'll be able to negotiate downward. So they will be able to negotiate for you. So always involve them to negotiate. And after negotiation, make your payment immediately. Make your payment. Now, after making payment, a deed of assignment or a deed of contract will be issued to you immediately after making payment, and purchase receipt to be issued immediately after making payment. Make sure, let your lawyer will make sure that receipt, purchase receipt or deed of assignment is issued. And then number six, verify the document. Verify the document. Make sure your lawyer review every necessary document before signing anything. Your lawyer must review every necessary document before signing anything. A deed of assignment will be issued. Your lawyer must review the document before signing anything, and both parties must sign the deed of assignment. Both parties must sign it. So your lawyer will act as a frontliner in this case to make sure he verify and review the document before signing it. Now, finally, number 7, perfect the title of the land. Perfect the title of the land. If this land does not have a C of O, you can purchase a C of O and take ownership, full ownership of the land, or a governor's consent and take full ownership of the land. So that is how to perfect the title of the land. So these are step-by-step tips on how to buy land or a house in Lagos. Thank you for staying up to this moment in this video. If you find this video helpful, do well to leave a thumbs up on this video. Like this video. If you are just coming across our channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification button. So anytime we post educative contents like this, you will be the first to be notified of our videos. We post informations, guidelines on how to invest, how to secure investment, how to take wise decisions while investing in real estate. So this channel have helped a lot of people. Do well to always subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question, find it helpful. You can as well share this video to your loved ones, your family members, your friends. If there is anyone in need of any information in this video, do well to share it. You can also contact us via the number displayed on the screen, or check the description of the video. You will get our number. Give us a message. We'll respond very fast, and we'll make sure we answer you to your satisfaction. Thank you. God bless you. See you in our next video. Peace.